Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a beautiful 2018 GTC Roadster. This one is a Designo Iridium Silver Magno. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 550 horsepower and 502 pounds of torque. Standard on the GT are front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one comes with the AMG exterior night styling package, which is going to give you a blacked out front lip, blacked out side skirts, and a blacked out rear diffuser. For wheels, we've got 19 inches in the front, 20 in the rear. AMG cross-spoke forged wheels, which are titanium. The tires are in excellent condition. V8 bi-turbo badging. A saddle brown exclusive Napa leather. Also a AMG Performance steering wheel in Napa leather. Coming along back, we've got a wing, AMG GTC badging. This one does come with a black soft top. Hopping in, we've got Burmeister sound system, power windows, AMG illuminated door sills. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, our touchpad and wheel for our media display. We've got different driving modes. We've got individual, comfort, sports, and sports plus. Also we have race. Let's go ahead and give it a little rev to hear that exhaust. Nice and beefy for that AMG exhaust. Also we have our suspension adjustments right here. This GTC has very low mileage. It has 738 miles. Service and Carfax available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this beautiful GTC Roadster, check out feldmanimports.com.